Hello everyone, it's Linda from Filming Studio. A warm welcome back to the channel and a warm welcome if you're new. Just a quick video today. I'm slightly discombobulated. I should be in England, but I'm still here in Scotland. I am going down because my dad needs a little operation on his hand. Nothing big, it's just day surgery, but he's going to be out of action for probably about 3 weeks before he can drive, certainly off the washing up duties. So he's not going to need looking after as such, just to have someone around to help him and mum till his hand is fully recovered. So I was chatting about this in my Facebook group the other day, and I said I really must get on and get my packing done. And by that I don't mean packing my clothes, I mean packing my craft stuff. Now I've been travelling up and down to my parents over the years, various things, and I've spent quite a lot of time there really. So I now have what I call craft room light. I've got a little desk in the spare bedroom and just a few bits and pieces there. So I've got all my tools, basic tools, trimmer, pokey tool, tweezers, bone folder, scissors, that kind of thing, glues, double-sided tape. I've got a few random bits of cardstock. I know I've got some Tim Holtz stuff down there, bits and pieces. I've got a wee ephemera folder, so I can get going. But what I like to do is take with me what I'm working on. So, I tend to take some more materials. So this is what I'll be taking with me, and it's one of these A4 boxes. I've got this on the top just to hide the shine. One of these A4 plastic boxes for storing paper in. And I happen to have a suitcase which has a pocket on the front, which is the perfect size. This just slips straight in the front there, no problem at all. So I'll take that out the way, just take the lid off. And it's still a bit shiny, sorry, but let me show you what we've got. So first of all, let's move the box itself. I've got a bag full of odd bits of material. I realise I've got no material or lace there at all. So I've just got some basic, it's coming apart. I've got some basic material just for sort of strengthening spines and tag books and things. I've got some silk, I've got some vintage lace. And then the other thing I've put in some of these. They're these jelly roll strips, the batik ones, and I like to tear them down the middle, and then they make great ribbon, great ties for journals and things like that. So that's my little pack of odd bits of material, and that will be more than enough for various projects. Put that out the way. The next thing I've got in here is a little project which I am going to actually tell you about separately. So we'll just put that out the way, and then let's see what else we've got. Okay, in this box, let me just show you how neatly it all sits. I realise I took the lid off, but yeah, it all just sits in perfectly. I've done this before. Tools. Although I've got basic tools down there, I don't have double up on my punches. So I've got my big circle punch, I've got a corner rounder, and I've got my fussy cut scissors. That's all the tools I'm taking with me. Everything else I should have. I am, of course, taking a spare uhu. And then in this little box, I've got some small ink pads. I do have some down there, but I know they're getting a bit sorry for themselves. So just some basic colours, and that's a miniature art glitter glue because I don't have any art glitter glue. So that is that. Then I'm taking some stamps. I've got a few down there, but not many. And these are stamps that I don't use very much. These are Prima ones, and as you can see, they've kind of got, sorry about the shine, they've got these kind of labels already on them. And then I've also got some little words, butterfly, dragonfly, bird, a couple of postagey things. So, just some basic stuff maybe to add into a collage. And that's that. I've cut myself some cardstock, hefty cardstock, possibly for tag books. I have got in here just some random text. So some music paper, a Ready Reckoner. That's actually a piece of Tyvek, because I knew I didn't have any Tyvek. That's a tide table, dictionary page. That's Stanley Gibbons stamp catalogue, Sears Roebuck catalogue, and some dictionary pages. So, just a few bits to tear up for random collaging. Okay, and then finally, let's tip them out. I've got some digital kits. So again, you know, I'm kind of not going to be making anything really big. Collage is kind of where it's going to be for me, I think. As I say, maybe a tag book, my other little project that's there. So first of all, I've got some tear sheets, and these are all, go very quickly through them. I think most of these are freebies actually from Andrea at Artymaze. That's a William Morris one. That is most definitely a freebie from her Facebook group. Yeah, I think a lot of these are actually freebies. Yeah, tear sheet, another lovely tear sheet. Then these Super Rose journaling cards, which I thought would be cool to have. So those are from Andrea, and then I've also got, let me show you this, just this little random thing from Cara Brandon. It's from the collector's kit. I had those left over, so I thought they can go with me. Then I've got some pretty papers from Tracy Fox. I think these are called Pretty Patchwork. I'm not sure. I will link down below the kits, the main kits that I'm taking with me. So some really lovely pretty paper, this. So nice for collaging, make a journal cover, whatever. And that's a nice tear sheet, which I'm pretty sure is Tracy's. And then finally, I've got from Andrea Artymaze, I've got a kit that's called Build a Cluster, and it's absolutely superb. You know, if you're only going to buy one kit, you know, this year, this month, whatever, I recommend this. It's got tear sheets. I think there are, I've started tearing that one up, but I think there are 3 tear sheets in it. Yeah, I've doubled that one up, so there are 3 tear sheets. And then there's just an amazing amount of ephemera in different sizes. So there's bigger bits and smaller bits. So yeah, that's half size there. Lots of super labels and words. And then these kind of backgroundy bits, I've got a couple of those. And then all these glorious little pictures, perfect for faux postage. So birdie ones and flowery ones, and again, that's that, and then half size. So that's super. Butterflies, and then there's some nice birdies and some more ephemera, half size. And then this, I think, is from a different kit, and I can't remember what it's called. But I will, as I say, I'll pop the links down below for you if you want to go and check them out. So yes, I think I should have enough to keep me quiet for, you know, the time I'm away. And I thought, well, I could certainly make sure that my ephemera folder that's down there is well stocked. You know, if nothing else, I can sit and fussy cut all these bits out. Because I tend, you know, not obviously I don't disappear for hours. That would be not nice. But I do, you know, maybe try and have an hour or 2 in the afternoons when older people are perhaps having a wee nap after lunch. So that's usually a good time for me to go and do my thing. So yeah, that's everything that I'm taking with me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that would keep me quiet for quite a long time, I think. So I don't know if any of you have got caravans or vans or things like that. I imagine you have pretty small craft boxes that go with you as well. But that's what I've got. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.